Do you know many people are having trouble with red exclamation points on their Shark Ion Robot RV761? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Identify error condition. A red exclamation point and red clean button indicate an error condition preventing operation. Step 2. Check for blockages. Flashing both buttons can mean a suction motor failure. Check for blockages and clean filters. Step 3. Move stuck robot. If only the red clean button is flashing, the robot may be stuck on an obstacle. Move it to a flat surface. Step 4. Clear front bumper. Flashing MAX button suggests it's stuck. Move the robot and check the front bumper for jams. Step 5. Clean cliff sensors. If both the red clean button and DOCK button flash, clean the cliff sensors and place on a flat surface. By following these steps, your Shark Ion Robot RV761 should be up and running smoothly again. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Shark users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.